Draw a slanted number 1.
Now let's get started with the slanted one.
Before adding a 2, which should touch the top and about 3/4 down the line of the 1.
Now it's time for number 2.
Next, draw a 3 that stretches all the way over both the 1 and the 2.
Time to make number 3.
Add a small 4 at the bottom point,
Now draw our number 4.
then 2 tiny 5s part way above the 3.
Let's draw 2 tiny 5s.
Finally, draw a 6 inside the top of the 3 and a 7 on the outside to make a bird out of numbers.
Draw 6, 7. That was pretty easy. Subscribe if you can draw it.